Nice to meet you. I'm Peter van Esse. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a Dutch guy, but I work in Norwich. I'm a plant pathologist by background. So I've done plant pathology in Wageningen, but then moved to work on Asian soybean rust, which I will talk a little bit more about today. But I also study diseases like wheat blast, stem rust, cornstalk and ear rots, and yeah, as you see, we publish a work in some nice journals as well. So just to give an idea, and I think people who do plant breeding know this, but I think it's always cool to reflect on that I'm a Dutch guy working on a Brazilian problem for an American nonprofit with a German company in England. And I think this, especially being in Brexit Britain right now, I think it's important to emphasize how international what I do and what many people also on the other side of the screen do. And I work for an American nonprofit, the Two Blades Foundation, and we discover, advance, and deliver innovative disease resistance solutions. Now, for today's talk, I'm not gonna go in a lot of technical detail, but I'm totally willing to do so in the discussion, okay? So I really hope, and that was also what I understood from the organizers, that we can go in depth more when there's questions. So please do use the chat as we move forward. So before I start with that, I always like to start with this picture called Earthrise, and it's a picture shot by Bill Anders in Apollo 8. And this, to me, it drove me into science as a kid, and it really also encapsulates what we're all on about. We have one planet, and there's really nowhere else to go, and I think no other picture drives it home more than this one. We're warming up.